Okay, thanks for that. So there are a lot of bullish cues coming through. Let's pose that question to Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar. Gentlemen, morning to both of you. Sudarshan, would you agree that the Nifty is now all set to break out above this trading range of 17,800 to 18,200? And if this breakout comes through, what are the kind of leaders of the market now?
Good morning, Sonia. Throughout last week and yesterday, I have been saying that the Nifty is making higher lows and we should be long in the market. And this was repeatedly said yesterday also. And we had two dips where you could actually buy at on a lower level than the open price. That theme continues. Now, I have no way of saying the Nifty will go to this particular level or breakout. The important point is momentum favors the bulls and we should be on the long side of the market. And I usually let the market tell me where it wants to go. And the market doesn't listen to me. I only know that I should be long.
Okay, gentlemen, good morning. Mitesh, what about you?
Good morning, Prashant. The idea is that the consolidation has been there for quite some time, and as Anuj was also highlighting, there's a stronger chance, and we discussed that yesterday, that eventually we might break on the upside, given the fact that a lot of daily indicators now have started looking up from the oversold level. So the key levels to watch on the upside, I think 18,185 remains the key pivot, and I think we might be there in the opening trade itself. So if we start building upon the gap up and then we see a cross and a comfortable move beyond 18,185, then I think 18,250 should also be taken out and we should be at least heading towards 18,400. So in the short term, the setup is positively biased, but I think what I want is some follow through post the gap up today.
Okay, all right, Mitesh, what about individual stocks?
Yeah, so I have, morning Nigel, I have more of buy calls today very clearly. ITC is a buy with a stop at 332 and look for target of 350 here. It's done good base building and now showing signs of restarting in a move. Petronet had some kind of a price and volume action, so that's a buy. I think it's getting into a short-term uptrend. It could test the all-time highs of 240. That being the target, the stop loss should be placed around 219. And Birla Soft is a buy as well. Here I would recommend a stop of 298 and a target of 312. And one sell call, India Cement had some kind of a breakdown. Keep a stop at 214, look for targets of 195.
Okay, and Sudarshan, how about you? Since IT has assumed leadership now yet again, do you think that these are stocks that one should continue to buy? And what else are you looking at this morning?
Actually, you're quite right, Sonia. The good quality IT stocks are worth buying into. But I don't have that in my trading list for the day because IT is covered by the Nifty in any case. And it's more of an investment theme rather than an intraday theme. I have stocks that are possibly ready for bigger moves. Canara Bank is one such stock. So Canara Bank is a buy with a stop under 321. It's just very unusual today. I have only buying ideas. GNFC is a buy. The stock has gone through a dip. It's been consolidating for a long period of time. It's a buy with a stop under 565. PEL, which is Piramal Enterprises, that's a buy. Again, a fairly bullish pattern. Stop under 830. And finally, Hind Petro, which again comes in my buy list with a stop under 244. The reason I focused on mid caps was that the Nifty takes care of the large caps.
All right. Okay. Thanks a lot for that. We need to take a short commercial break, but we'll, of course, come back with lots more. A quick programming update for our viewers. CNBC-TV18 has compiled a list of the top 20 stocks to watch out for this year. So do stay tuned in for that. It's a carefully curated list of various things that you can watch out for. But it's a disclaimer, this is not a recommendation list, but a list of companies which have meaningful triggers lined up this year. So do stay tuned in to CNBC-TV18 at 10 a.m. You'll get a sneak peek into the names and we will, of course, reveal the list as well.
Well, we'll slip into a short break. We'll come back. We'll get you pre-open rates. We'll also be joined by Mr. Anil Gupta of KEI Industries to discuss their past quarter's numbers and the way ahead.